How do you get a free Chemical Guys bundle? By joining this giveaway. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? So welcome to Wrenchettes. We're on the working this beautiful on the Odyssey, but live as well. Now today I'm gonna be completely honest. I actually feel bad sometimes because I have almost 2,000 subscribers and I've never done a giveaway. Now my brother, he offered to supply me the money to do a giveaway with little requirements to win. Now the giveaway is an all-season Arsenal builder kit from Chemical Guys. That's right, guys. I usually don't present companies on my channel because I'm not sponsored, so why am I gonna give them light if they're not sponsoring me? But this is a giveaway for you guys. This is not about me, it's not about the channel, it's about you guys, the subscribers. Now this is the Arsenal kit, like I said. I will be disclosing the rules in order to win at the end of the video, or somewhere at the end of the video. But let's dive into what's in this kit right here. First, we have no other than the Chanel wash mitt. This is to wash your car, of course. And if you have a long day, dirty and stuff, you know, doing your car, you could swipe one down. Ain't nobody gonna know. And then we have the professional microfiber towels right here. They give you what, 3 packs? I think it is. The really good kinds, not those cheap ones that you order and stuff like that, and they break away. They have like mad lint and stuff like that. This is the really good stuff. I like it. Take everything out because it's so tight up in there. That's what he said. Then we have the Wheelworks medium duty wheel body brush right here. Man, this is cool. I like it. I like it very much. Then we have the actual foam blaster car wash gun in the same kit. This is like one kit that I will honestly buy for myself because I don't have none of this stuff, and you guys get to get it before me. How does that work? I don't know. I guess the last will be first and the first will be last, like the Bible says. First up, we have the streak-free window clean glass cleaner right here. Ain't nothing better than a streak-free glass cleaner, let me tell you. Because those ones that leave a streak are so annoying to deal with. And this is like a godsend, if you know what I mean. Then after that, we have the Hypercoat protective dressing. This is to restore the bold look of vinyl, rubber, and plastic restorations. So you can use this to restore all your trims and stuff like that, and you're gonna look like a brand new car. Because let me tell you, the one thing that dulls a car more than anything else, besides a lot of factors, is your freaking trims. Because they're all plastic, they're all like light gray when they're supposed to be dark gray or dark black. And this is included in the kit. Man, this is really good. Then next up, we have the good stuff, the orange stuff, the sticky citrus wheel cleaner. This is pretty cool. This is to clean your wheels. Also in the kit. Next up, we have the watermelon. Who doesn't like watermelon? I don't, but you do. The snow foam auto wash. I'm guessing this is to put it in the gun. Pretty cool. I like it. You put this in your gun and you mix it with water, then and your car will be smelling like watermelon. You're gonna want to bite it afterwards, but don't. Then next up, we have, I think it's the last one. Yeah, we have the butter wet wax deep wet shine. Deep wet look to any paintwork, natural carnauba, cleaning power, long-lasting protection. After you do your cleaning and stuff like that, it's always good to protect your paint so it can last as best as you can for as long as you can. And the way to do it with stuff like this, like a sealer. Also in the kit, amazing kit, I'm telling you. And then last but not least, we have some paperwork, got some stickers for your car or for your garage, wherever you like to put it. Pretty cool. If you like stickers and stuff like that, put it in your car or in your garage. There you go, for free. In the kit. And then we have some paperwork. No, this is not it. I think it just fell inside the bucket. Never mind. And then least, we have the actual bucket right here. But not any bucket. we have the filter inside there that you can use with the mint, because when you're passing this over your dirty car, it still has some leftover dirt and stuff like that. So what you do is you're gonna dip this inside the bucket here, and the dirt is gonna go right through the little holes there, as you can see, and all you're gonna have is another clean mint, because you don't want to rub the dirt all over your car, and that's what the automatic car washes do. Like a dirty car comes in, it gets all the dirt and all the feathers, thingies, and then another car comes in and it rubs it all over your car, and that's why all the cars have scratches in your clear coat. So that's no bueno. This kit is designed to save your car and save you some money from going to the car wash and doing it at your house the right way. With everything included, your car should be looking snatch and spazzy for a real long time. Now that you've seen all what's in this beautiful kit, that honestly I will get this in the future myself. Now you say, how do I get this? This is completely free. First of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel right here. Second, go over to my brother's channel. I will link it in the description. And in his latest video, he has his own version of the giveaway. And all you have to do is like that video, comment on that same video, and then subscribe to his channel. That's it. All you have to do to get all of this, $100 worth of equipment to keep your car looking snazzy, just for subscribing to our channel and giving a like. Until next time, guys, God bless. Separate up.